Hi students, and welcome to September 1st. It is Tuesday and I am here to go over your work for today. The first two assignments we are going to be doing together in class. So this video is only if you are not going to be in class with us and you need to understand how to do assignment number 1 and assignment number 2 for Tuesday, September 1st. So you can either do this on paper or you can do this on the computer on Google Classroom. I'm going to show you the computer version, and on the computer version, you will also have the audio, which you'll need to do assignment number 2. So even if you are doing the work on paper, for this part of the assignment, and I'll go over that later, right? Assignment number 2, you will need to listen to the audio, which is either on Google Classroom or on the 11th grade website. So let's take a look at our work for today. The first assignment for today is what makes a selfie ugly. Now, on Monday, hopefully you all took selfies of yourself, one that you think is beautiful and the other that you think is ugly. Today, we are going to look at other people's selfies that they think are ugly. And I want us to really be thinking about, what is it about that selfie that is ugly? Is it ugly? Why do they think that? So let's take a look at our directions here. Look at the images of selfies that people think are ugly of themselves. Okay, that's the first thing. So you're gonna look at this image, then write what you think makes this selfie ugly or why the person thinks the selfie is ugly. You may disagree. You might think it's an awesome selfie, but I want you to get into the mind of the person who took it, and I want you to think, why do they think it is ugly? There's some vocabulary here that might help you. So chin, fat, angle. An angle is how you are looking at something, right? If the angle is up here or down here, right, it gets a different angle of your face. Smile, face, we use that a lot. Teeth, and emotion. So we're gonna look at photo number 1. And the sentence starter that you can use is, maybe this person thinks this selfie is ugly because. And then in this space, you are going to write why you think, at least one sentence, why you think the person thinks the selfie is ugly. You can use some of these words. I might say, because the angle of the photo shows 2 chins. And then I might say something else about seeing up the person's nose and the teeth and the smile that maybe are some of the reasons why the person thinks it is ugly. So I'm going to delete that because you are going to have to fill in that information. And you're going to do the same thing with number 2 and number 3. And there is no right or wrong answer. These are your ideas. After you finish that, we are going to move into reading Exploding Beauty Standards by Virgie Tovar. And that comes from this book, The Self-Love Revolution. So we are just reading the first part of the book. Now, in class today, we are going to be reading it together. First, you will listen to me read it. Second, you will read the article silently to yourself. And then you will listen to me read a little bit, and then you will repeat what I say. I will read a little bit more, and you will repeat what I say. Now, if you are not in class, you are going to have to do that on your own. And that's okay, because here you can click here and listen to me read the entire article starting here. So you can listen to the audio recording. These are the same. After you listen to the whole audio recording of the article, then you're going to read the article silently to yourself. After that, you're going to listen to a different recording. The second recording is what we call an echo reading, right? Echo, echo, echo. I say it, you say it. So you will listen to the recording and reread out loud after each part that is read aloud to you. So you'll hear my voice reading it, and then you will read it. Again, the complete audio recording is here, and the echo reading is here. And you might be wondering, why are we doing this? So let's look. What is the purpose of our first read of the article, right? We previewed it last week. Now, the purpose of the first read of the article is to hear how the words are pronounced and to begin to understand what the article is about. So it's important that we are doing two things at the same time. We're working on our pronunciation, making sure we know how to say every word, and we're beginning to get an idea of what is she talking about when she says exploding beauty standards. You will notice here that there are lots of images that connect to the words that are in that thick, bold lettering, and all of our vocabulary words are highlighted in yellow so that you can see what they are in a sentence, right? What meaning they have. All right, that is our assignment number 2. Assignment number 3 is flashcard practice Quizlet. I will be making a separate video for us to see how to use Quizlet. So you do not need to do anything with this yet, but I want you to watch the second video to understand how to use Quizlet. All right, that is it for today. I'm sorry that you weren't in class, or maybe you are watching this just to refresh what we learned today. And remember, you can either complete the assignments on paper here, or you can complete the assignments on Google Classroom. Bye, everyone. Happy Tuesday.